So hello everyone. This is our day 2 session of C programming. So in this session, we will learn about the basics of C, variables and data types. In previous session, we learned how to install the IDE of Dev C++ for the C programming. So let's get started. So let's create our first file in C. So save as variable and data types in C dot C. Okay. So what are variables in C? So simply variables are containers. They are containers to store some kind of value. You have learned about the variables in mathematics, like x is equals to 5. So simply 5 is a value and x is a variable. So it stores the temporary value. And what are the data types? So data types are used to define the nature of variable. So they tells about the variable, what type of data is it is going to be stored. So let's take an example. In every C program, we are going to add a header file. This is the header file stdio.h. Then we are going to write about the main function, then parenthesis. So these those small curly braces are called parentheses in C. Now let's declare our data type integer and let the variable x equals to 5. Okay, and the semicolon. These are generally called delimiters in C, and let's print it out. X is a variable. X is a variable. So X is a variable of int data type whose value is percentage d, and we write X. Percentage d is a format specifier. We will learn in the next video. So return 0. Why return? Because the return type of main function is int, so we have to return something value. It means that's why we are writing the return 0. We can see the output here. X is a variable of int data type whose value is 5. Similarly, we can say float, float 5.4 and percentage f as format specifier. Let's compile and run it. So you can see x is a variable of int type whose value is 5.4. Now similarly, if I say char x is equals to a, so we write here character data type whose value is percentage c, and X. Wait. Wait. Always keep in mind that every statement should be ended by a semicolon in C. Else it will throw an error. We can simply say, see here, X is a variable of character data type whose value is A in float char. Okay, so now let's say we have to find out the size of this data type, then variable or data type. How will we do this? So int x is equals to 5 again. Now let's say to print the size of the variable, we write size of x is comma size of operator called size of. So size of is operator used to get the size of the variable or any kind of data type value. I compiled, run it. Okay, size of and percentage d. Okay, wait. Percentage d. The size of integer is 4. So in modern compiler, the size of integer type is 4 bytes. And but in old compiler like Turbo C plus plus or Poland C, the size of integer is generally 2 bytes. And let's say we have to get the size of float. Float value will also be 4 in according to the modern compiler. You get the value 4. Let's say about the character. For the character, char x equals to t, and we have to write okay, and percentage t. Okay. So character have 1 byte. Now let's say you have to print the ASCII value of character, then simply you don't have to do anything, just write percentage G a format specifier and print the value of X. So ASCII value of X is capital T is 116. Let's say about the small a, capital A. Let's print it ASCII value. So ASCII value of capital A is 65. So thank you everyone. This is all for today. Thank you. And in another session, we will learn about the further.